Welcome to the Sunday morning simulcast with Rom Wills. Smile until you believe it. Yeah, I remember years ago I'm working on a job, one of my 1001 jobs. And there was a young lady there, a petite young lady, real sweet, real sweet person. Always had a smile, no matter what. And this was one of those type of jobs that could stress you out easily. I mean, just the industry was known for stressing you out, right? But she always had a smile, no matter what. She dealing with it was a retail operation, and it could be dealing with customers or dealing with managers. But she always had a smile. I was like, you always have a smile. And she said, you got to smile until you believe it, right? And I was like, that's deep. I went home, got on my computer, and I got in, typed up the saying and printed it out. And it's on my door every day I leave my place. I have to see it. Smile until you believe it. And basically what it means is sometimes no matter what's going on, you just got to smile. Even if you don't think you have something to smile about, sometimes you just got to smile. And you got to keep smiling until it just clicks in. You just got to believe it. You just got to think it. Because one of the problems I see with a lot of people out here, all they can do is focus on what's going wrong in their lives, right? And I've seen that. I've seen that with a lot of people, right? And that's everybody, and that's including me, because I'm human. Everybody does it. I honestly, I've never met anybody whose life was so perfect, even if they making money, even if they got a loving mate, that something doesn't come up that's going to make them frown or make them sad or make them anxious, whatever. That's not going to feel good to them. But whenever that happens, you got to start smiling, right? And the key to that smiling is focus on what's going right for your lives. Okay, yeah, you know what? Your car just broke down, but you know what? Smile. You got money to fix it. And even if you don't have money to fix it, smile. The car didn't break down in some place where a bus could run you over or crash into you or something, right? You know what? It's like you want to go out, hang out or something, right? But you know what? You don't have any money. You had to pay all your bills and stuff. Smile, right? Smile, because you're in that position. At least you got a roof over your head, right? At least you got someplace you can make more money at, right? Because there was a while a few years ago. Because when you're in this business, it gets tough. And there was a position, I had the business, but I still had to, work. I still had to work to keep some bills paid. The business paid some bills, but I still needed more, right? Because I like to eat. But there was just one time, I'll never forget it. I had $4 to get me through the week. Now, I knew I was going to get paid like that week. That wasn't a big deal. But, and I was just like, wow, you know what? I'm in trouble. But I started smiling because, one, I knew I was going to get paid. Anyway, I just had to get through those 4 days. I still had some food in my I still had enough food to get me through the week. So I was just like, okay, I don't have I can't buy some frivolous thing or something. I can't buy one of those magazines I like to buy. But I just smiled because I said, you know what? There are people out there who, if they got $4 to get through the week, that's it. They don't have like a nice size paycheck coming at the end of the week, which I did, right? Yeah, I had some, and even though I had some of the money was allocated towards some bills, it still would have, gave me enough to get more food, right? So I was still smiling about it, right? Still smiling. It's like you got to just keep focusing on it. I mean, understand something, and I really do think a lot of people, they get to a level and then something small happens. It's middle of the summer, right? Your air condition breaks down, right? Oh yeah, you're gonna be hot, sweaty, and whatever around your place until it can be repaired. And in some cases, you might not be able to repair it right away. But you know what? You still in a home. There's a bunch of homeless people out there. They sleeping in tents and everything. They can't be concerned about the air condition. If it's hot as hell out there, they just got grin and bear it. And if you sweat too much, you in a place that has a shower. You can just take some showers or something. You get too sweaty. But you got some people out there, they don't have that. Understand something. A lot of times you still blessed. I mean, stuff is going to break down. Your car's going to break down. Your air conditioner's going to break down. You're going to have a disappointment on the job. You might even lose that job, right? But hey, you know what? A lot of times you still had a skill set to get another one. You know? And ultimately, and I actually told someone this because they were feeling some self-pity and everything, right? I'm like, you woke up this morning, right? Shoot, there's many people, shoot, they go to bed and the next morning, shoot, they looking down from the spirit world. Yeah, you still alive. You know, because one thing in life, the sun always comes up. You know, and, you know, smiling, it's like, okay, things going well, smile on what you got. You can think about it. You got your, you know, you still able to think. Shoot. And it's like, you know, a wise gentleman said to me, it was like, you can still think about, you can still get out of any issue, you know? I mean, you can fix the air conditioner. You can get another job, right? Shoot. If it's a food issue, shoot, they got food pantries, soup kitchens, if it gets that bad. And it's like, it's always something. You can always get out of it. But smile. Feel blessed that you do have what you have. Right? Feel good about it. Yeah, like I said, it's nothing wrong. It really is normal to have times when you're down. Rom has times when he's down that it lasts a few minutes or something. But I still have them. Right? But whenever I have a downtime, I just sit back and think, okay, this is what I do have. And then you start smiling. In fact, sometimes I'm driving along. People might think I might have some mental health issues. Sometimes I'll be driving or something. I just start laughing. Be like, in fact, even with some bad things happen, I just start laughing. I just say, hey. Because one thing I learned early in life, like everything got a silver lining. You don't see it at that moment. And trust me, it's annoying. Something happened, it's annoying. But there's always a silver lining with whatever's going on. Right? There's always a silver lining. Right? I'm smiling now because there's some stuff. There's some stuff I want to work on. There's some stuff I need to get done. Right? But I'm like, I'm in a position to do it. It's like, wow. Because even if I get down now, it's like, well, you know what? All I had to do is make a couple videos or something. And, if I need extra money or something, it was like, boom. In fact, a lot of times when I would need an upgrade in money or something, that's when I come up with another channel or something. Yeah, I'm just smiling about it because you have to. You have to. And, the key to the smiling is just being grateful for what you do have. Right? Just focus on it. No matter what bad happens, just focus on it. You still got your life. You still got the possibility. Your situation could literally change in the blink of an eye. It could literally change in the blink of an eye. But in order to get there, you just have to have that gratitude, and you always have to smile. So smile until you believe it. Anyway, that's it for now. I'll get back with y'all. Peace and many blessings. Keep rising and transforming.